Hello and welcome. Are you ready to install a Zurn Wilkins 375A reduced pressure principal assembly? Great. I'll go through the steps and throw in a few tips to save you some time and labor along the way. Remember, only certified personnel should install backflow preventers. Faulty installation could result in an improperly functioning assembly. The 375 series backflow preventer can be installed indoors or outdoors depending on certain factors. When choosing a site location, please consult your local codes for specifics and consult the complete installation instructions for this model on Zurn.com. Alright, we're ready to begin, but first let's gather some of the tools you'll need to complete this installation. Before installation, flush the line thoroughly to remove all debris, chips, and other foreign matter. Then shut off the water before you begin installation. If required, a strainer should be placed upstream of the backflow preventer. Do not use a strainer in seldom used emergency water lines, such as fire lines. Clear the installation area of any debris or obstructions. Check to make sure the installation area will have adequate space around the installed unit so that the valve will be accessible for testing and servicing. Lift the valve into place using a capable crane or similar device. Then bolt or clamp each end onto the system pipe using the correct connection. Contact Zurn Customer Care if you're unsure which connection you need. Make sure when installed, the relief valve port is at least 12 inches above the surrounding flood level. When the valve has been fully connected to the service line, make sure both shutoff valves are closed before you start the flow of water. Slowly open the inlet shutoff valve and allow water to slowly flow into the valve until the backflow preventer is completely pressurized. A brief discharge from the relief valve may occur while the device is pressurizing. If the discharge does not stop by the time the shutoff is fully open, please refer to the maintenance instructions for repair procedures. After the assembly has been pressurized, vent all the trapped air by slightly opening each of the 4 test cocks. Slowly open the downstream shutoff valve and then open it the rest of the way. Then open the inlet shutoff valve the rest of the way. Your 375 reduced pressure principal large backflow preventer is now in service. Test the assembly using the testing procedures outlined in the full installation instructions from Zurn. We hope you found this tutorial useful. If you need additional support, please reach out to our Zurn Customer Care team. And check out our other installation and troubleshooting videos on Zurn's YouTube channel.